At a recent Cecil Township meeting in Pennsylvania, officials discussed whether to shut down Steeltown, a local motocross track, after noise complaints led to a cease and desist hearing, which is scheduled for August 18th, I guess, happened. But during the comments, one resident, frustrated with all the interruptions, decided to turn himself into a motocross bike.
You need to.
Now, how much time did he dedicate?
You know what? I'm going to reach out to Will Smith for this show. If I can't get him, I'm booking that guy.